Hello all, this is Library Expert Enterprise Edition. This software is used to create footprint as per IPC standard, IPC 7351. You can see that when you open the software, multiple tabs are there. Exit surface mount through hole, appear designer, library, tools, parts and preferences. So let's see one by one. All like exit, this tool is used when you want to exit from the software. Surface mount, when you click on surface mount, you can see that almost all types of surface mount footprint or packages are there, so you can select any of them according to your requirement, according to your data sheet. And here on downside you can see that the package details are there, and these are details you can get from the data sheet, like D, E, E1, AL, and ENB. These all details you can get from the datasheet, and these all details you have to fill here. After filling the details, you need to just open the library. If you don't have any library, you need to create new library. If you have already a library, you can just open it so that you can add the newly created part into this library. So currently I don't have any dataset, just I'm taking help of demo. So in demo section, when you click demo, so whatever type you have selected, that means SMD through hole, SOP or SOIC or QFN, whatever kind of packages are there. So when you click on demo, so it will all automatically it will be filled. So I have created one with the help of demo. I have created one SOIC name SOP 24P65, and this is the standard IPC standard PCB footprint name. When you create PCB footprint, after that you need to add this footprint into your library. I'm just adding. After added in the library, you can see that multiple options are there which are still need to be added, like case code, manufacturer, part number, logical, mounting type, logical description, mounting type, and data sheet and all. So you can fill these all details, and after that just add, click here, add footprint to CAD library. Here you can see that your footprint name SOP 24P65, and here this is the location where footprint will be added. I'm going to create this footprint to Orchid PCB editor. So Orchid PCB already selected. The version is 16.6. So just create and close option. It will take little longer time. So please be with me. Please be with me. Soon it will be converted. Yeah, it's converting. Yeah, pad. Now all the pads after silk skin. Yeah, it's done. That's great. Yeah, the complete footprint is converted into Orchid PCB editor. So you can find the footprint here. See demo. You can change this location as per your requirement. That's how you can create any SMD or through hole footprint. Just select and follow the same thing. Just fill all the details from the datasheet and add into library, and later you add footprint to CAD library and convert it into ORCID PCB editor. So same thing you can do with through hole also. Just same thing do you have to just add to library and convert into ORCID PCB editor. So this is all about surface mount and through hole. If your footprint is not as per standard, I mean this is not standard footprint, this is so you can your footprint is something rectangle, and then you have to fill the details of your package details, uh, the length, width, and height. Just click OK and fill, create pads according to datasheet. And here, okay, done. Here you can get all the pad details, whatever you will create, and you can put all the details here like this. You have to just fill all details, all the you have to just place all the pins according to your data sheet, and again you have to just add here in fencing. Just select what types of, and just give one random name, I mean a manufacturer part number name, and just click OK and add the footprint into library. Again you can change, edit anything, and later the same thing you have to follow. Just click on add to CAD library and just create and close. Your footprint will be created. This is all about FV designer. When you need to create any non-standard PCB footprint, library editor already told you about it, that this is used to create new library or to open library. Tools option like convert unit and pad stack calculator, you can create or you can calculate SMD and through hole pad here. Hole size calculator, if you are using any wire into your PCB, so what is the hole size of that, I mean for that wire, what hole size you want to put on the PCB for that wire. So you can calculate here 22 gauge, 23, 12, 15, whatever gauge you are using wire, you can calculate, and here you can find the hole size. Always keep hole size and plus tolerance you have to add. Don't use minus tolerance, only plus tolerance you have to add into your nominal value of the hole size. This is all about tools. Preferences is just like setup. Like setup, we can change anything. In preferences also we can change anything. Like unit, you can convert, you can change millimeter to micrometer or mils. You can select as per your requirement. If your data sheet having only mils option or inches option, you can select here according to that. Create footprint name. So here current unit, or if you use current unit, that means it will follow the unit section only. If you are using something different, it will follow the different one. Okay. uh, Create pad stack name using pad stack footprint naming conversion convention. And SMD density is one of the most important thing in setup. So there are three different SMD density levels: most, nominal, and least. These all things are selected as per your board density, how much dense your board is. If your board is too much dense, then you can select least, and if the board is not too much dense, you can select most. This is all about uh, a console. In the rules, you can change anything here. Drafting, in drafting option, you can change fiducial, you can change component, you can see surface mount and through hole. So any changes you want to do in here, you can change. In case you don't want any change, or you have changed and you want back the original or default one, you can select the restore or default component type. So you can select this one also. This is how you can change anything as per your requirement. So this is all about uh, a general introduction about library expert enterprise edition. And you can see here that this software always creates as per IPC standard footprint, IPC 7351C.